There it is. The lightest Micro Mini I've got. Just under 3,800 pounds. You could pull it with an SUV. Torsion axle. Solar on the roof. Heated enclosed ducted underbelly with heated tank pads. Big Goodyear tires. Those are the Wrangler tires. Sport rims. Torsion axle. All your precious cargo trailers, like horse trailers, have a torsion axle because they ride so much nicer. You got the flip-in steps. They flip right into the doorway there. Electric stabilizing jacks. You got 2 switches on the front, 2 on the back. Spray port right there for water. Ladder that goes up the back. Go right up on top of the fully walkable roof. You got solar on the roof, 200-watt solar panels with a 30-amp controller. And right there, it's backup camera ready. Comes with the full-size spare tire. Outside hot and cold water on this side. All your hookups are right there. It's got a black tank flush. Your 6-gallon DSI water heater right there. And then I'm going to show you the storage from the other side. It's an even bigger door on that side. It's not only backup camera prep, but it's side camera prep too. If you wanted to add extra solar, you can add it right there. We're going to put 2 full propane tanks on here for you. 20 or 30 pounders, whatever you want. It's set up for 20s, but I can make it 30s if you want. We're going to put a brand new interstate battery on there for you, a Group 27. Electric tongue jack in the front. Okay, look at that size of that storage right there. Okay, I'm going to flip this up. It goes right up the magnets. Look at all that storage underneath there. This is like a 3-foot wide door. Power right there. JBL audio system. The nice electric awning. We're going to go inside here real quick. Take a look. Storage right there. More above. It's got charging ports right there. And for a smaller camper, it's got a really decent sized bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Stand-up shower. Skylight. Power vent. There's a sink. Pop that open. Sink in the bathroom. Sink out here. This pulls up. You got a little extra counter space. Air conditioning, heat, TV, swivels right there. More storage. Little spot to charge your phone. Dinette. Queen size bed in there. And then you have a huge fridge right here. This is a 10.7 cubic foot fridge, freezer. Awesome. They cool faster. They're bigger. All that storage above there. And these will hold up by themselves. No need to sit there and hold it open. More storage above the dinette. Goes all the way through to the center for strength. And then all the way through the next one. There's that JBL audio. Another power vent right there. Super easy to pull. More storage down below right there. Come check it out. You're going to love it. Oh, I forgot to mention the microwave. Although if you watch some of my other videos on this, you know it's a convection microwave oven. So there you go. Hey, look. Another way to get into storage.